friends, welcome back again. In this video we are going to learn how can we add a new invoice on the FreshBooks app. Let's get started. Here you will open the FreshBooks app and then you will get this page. Here you have to click on invoices and you have to click on new invoice option. Now you can see drag your logo or select a file. Now select a client. You can select a client or also you can create a client. Add your client's first name, then last name, company's name, email address. Now you have to add a phone number here. Add business phone or add mobile also you can do. You can also add the address. Otherwise you have to click on create client. Now we have entered the client here. Now you have to click on date of issue. You have to add a issue date. Now add a due date here. Add an invoice number. Add a reference value. Now you can see description. Enter an item name. You have to add the rate of that item. You can also add the quantity here. Now you can see line total is here. Scroll down. Here you can add a discount. Now click on add discount. Request a deposit. You can request for percentage or flat amount. If you are requesting for percentage, then you can enter the percentage amount. Here you have to click on add deposit. Now add a payment schedule. If you want percentage, then you have to fill this, or if you want flat amount, then you have to add here flat amount. You have to add due date. Again you have to add due date here. If you want to add another payment, then you have to click here, otherwise you have to click add schedule. Now you have to save it. So this is how we can generate an invoice for the client sale. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.